Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Jaco Wessels, and a great, big, fat welcome to Hypnoma. It's a place where you can learn how to make that sweet, sweet Wi Fi money. And yeah, I've just realized how, how super lame that actually sounds, so forgive me. It has been a while since I last produced or made any type of videos for YouTube. I've been away, focusing a little bit on my offline business to try just to try to keep the doors open. And I want to thank each and every one of you guys out there that is subscribed to my channel. While I was busy doing that, I've reached 1,000 subscribers. That is awesome. Never in my wildest dreams I ever could have ever imagined that I would reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. That is just insane. But I do appreciate it. I love you guys to bits. And also I hope you guys are keeping safe. Your loved ones, your family, everyone is still close and keeping it safe and just kind of keeping heads above the water and all of that. So I just kind of want to put it out there. I wish you guys all of the best in this tough times. And today I want to continue with a video that with a series that I started filming or producing a couple of months ago, and that it's a video or a series about Dropstore. It's a very big marketplace for suppliers where they can add products, and we have dropshippers like myself and you included, where you can go and actually find products to market to the rest of South Africa. And today is no different. Today I want to continue with the series, and I want to make a video about how you can actually use Dropstore to push products straight from your account to Shopify and automatically add products to your Shopify store. And that is what this video all about. It is very short, it is very quick and easy. It is not very difficult. It is just a plain simple video, but there are people out there that ask me for this, so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys this. And for the newbies, the guys who doesn't know what Dropstore is or dropshipping is, there's a link in the bottom of the description. Check it out. It will show you guys exactly what Dropstore is, what it's about, what you can do with it, how you can use it, and what is my 2 cents about it. And also, if you want to start an online store, you can go ahead and look at Shopify. I'll also leave a link in the description where you can actually go. I will show you how you can actually set up a Shopify store from the very beginning until the very end. What a mouthful. But anyway, guys, thank you for everything once again. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's very short, which is very uncommon for me. But anyway, let's get it. All right. So obviously you need 2 things for this to able to work. You need a Shopify store and you need a Dropstore account. So for the guys who don't know what Dropstore is, well, I've got a video in the description. I will show you guys exactly what Dropstore is about and how to get it running up and down, the ups and downs, and what I think about it, and literally the ins and outs about Dropstore. So I'm not going to go into detail about it. So I'm pretty sure if you watch this video that you have a Dropstore account and also you are starting or wanting to start a Shopify store, or you already have a Shopify store. So so let's start with the Dropstore. So if you already have a Dropstore account, well, congratulations. I'm just gonna enter my Dropstore account here. This is obviously, by the way, a fake email address. It's not real. So now I'm inside my Dropstore account. And the first thing I'm going to do here is go to my settings. And this will pretty much be exactly the same for you if you are new to Dropstore, or if you are an old a dropshipper from or for Dropstore. So just go to settings and go to Shopify integration. By the way, to be able to get the Shopify integration here and not WooCommerce, that's what you select in the beginning when you sign up for Dropstore. Either you go with WooCommerce or WooCommerce or Shopify. So let's go Shopify integration here. So now it is obviously this one. Mine says app installed. Sure, I've installed this already, but I want to show you guys how you can do it. So the next step is to go to your Shopify account, go ahead and press the view button. You want to view your store, and I've got this store as a demo store pretty much for pets. I'm selling CBD products for pets. So, and the only thing I have to do here is literally go ahead and copy my URL of my store, go back to Dropstore and paste it in there, and this go install. It will take you to the App Store of Shopify. So now obviously it gives you this big fat warning here. It's just because the app is not listed on the Shopify library, the app library, and also it doesn't have any reviews and all that kind of jazz. Do not worry about it. You can just go ahead and install. Now it's obviously installing the app. All right, congratulations guys, you just installed the Dropstore app on your Shopify store. And the next thing you're gonna do is not do anything here, but you can obviously press on this button here to search. I'll take it directly to the search functions and all the categories. And I'm just gonna go ahead and look for CBD products for pets. And I'm gonna go ahead and import this. Obviously you can click on the button here or on the title and read through all of this and make sure that's what you want to sell. And I'm gonna go ahead and import this. By the way guys, like I said, if you're not sure, if this is all very unfamiliar to you and look completely Greek, I have a full video explaining exactly what's going on here, how the prices work, and all of that listed in a video below. So I'm just gonna go back here, go back, and I'm gonna go to say add the import list and add this to import list and say something. I want a pet toy also for my CBD store. I'm sure my dog is gonna love playing with this pet after munching on CBD products. Anyway, pet fabric boomerang, sure, let's go for that. So now I've imported all 3 products, and let's add one pet cool matte medium. Sure, let's go ahead and add that one as well. So now we can go to products and go to my import list. Now we see all the products here. I can go ahead and select them all and say bulk push. So now I'm pushing all the products to my store. You can see product successfully queued for sync. Once you push your import list items to your store, it can take up to 2 hours. So guys, just bear in mind, it can take up to 2 hours. So don't worry if you don't see your products inside your store, immediately. Just give it some time. So let's go to my store. And I can just say, yeah, edit homepage. So it'll take me back to the editor. It's loading, extremely slow. So let's go back to my dashboard here. So now I want to go, this is basically the dashboard of the editor. So I go back to products. And now you can see there are no products inside the store as yet. It is 18, almost 20 minutes past 2. So let's see how long it takes for the products to arrive. So, okay, so it is 2:31 right now. So it took quite a few minutes to push products to my store. As you can tell, there's only 2 right now. So we are still shorting another 2 products, but that's okay. I'm pretty sure it's on its way, with the syncing and all that. And guys, that is it. That's how easy it is to import products all the way, or push products all the way from your Dropstore account to your Shopify account. And that's it, guys. But anyway, I want to say thank you for watching this video. You guys are rock stars. And if anyone out there wants to know how to create a Shopify store from the beginning until the end, I am gonna follow up with this video, and I'm gonna make a detailed video about how you can actually go ahead and start a dropshipping business right here in South Africa using Shopify. And also I'll show you how to install or integrate a payment gateway you can use to get paid on your website. How cool is that? Anyway, guys, thank you. You are killer rock stars. I appreciate you guys a ton. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. That will help me a ton. And please, guys, be safe. Stay within all the regulations. Take care. Look after each other. Love one another. And I'll see you on the flip side. Cheers.